session, Pankaj shared me the code. Okay, in this code, he's saying he's having issue. Our requirement is registration form. Once submit, click new entry will be added here. But on submit, there's no validations appearing here. So first thing, I'll go in a code and I check that. Here I can check input button value type. This is the HTML. In this HTML, he put the submit button here. Okay, so then validate form. First check why on click event is not getting called. Okay, on validate form, I go here and check that validate form. Okay, validate. Then what I do, I'll say here console uh, dot log, and I say here invalidate. Okay, first what we do, we just check that the function is getting called or not. Okay, I refresh this, I take it outside here. Okay, and okay, F12, check the console log. In console, see error is there. Okay, script.js having error, nothing is showing here. Console failed to load, error, file not found, script. Okay, file name is wrong. Where the script dot, I save these. Okay, actually I renamed them. Earlier there was a script.js name, now I recently have renamed and I save this. Again refresh, I hope now error is not there. Submit. Then uncaught property, uncaught, I press F12 and open the developer tool, and invalidate means my I am at this means my this function is getting called, and now error with line number 81. Okay, it's saying that cannot read the property value. I click on that. Okay, see, issue is here, document dot get element by id country dot value. Okay, country means this. So this is the drop down, this is the drop down. Okay, and you are saying here is a drop down, and you are saying country dot value. So for to get the value from a drop down, there is another function. Okay, it's not a text field, it's a drop down. The field type is a different, element type is a different. That's why to get it, there's something different to get the value from this drop down. Okay, so first let me resolve this issue. Where is that? That is validate country. I go here, validate country. Here is the validate country. Okay, so can someone tell me how we can extract the value from drop down? Move the cursor here. Now I'll say here option, option, and here select option. Now here uh, dot, let me check. I just go on a Google and check that. Let me close all the tab. I'll say here get drop down selected value, and our is a JavaScript. Okay, take a reference from Google, first link. I just go here, something is there, option dot get element by e dot document dot e dot value, e dot selected options. Let me get it, e dot. So this is the way, this is the way to extract the value from a drop down. Let me check the drop down field. Okay, okay, now I go here, and this I just to copy. Yeah, I just to copy this. Is there another way you guys use? Please tell me, is there any another way you guys use, or same way you have extracted the value? Document dot selected and options dot selected dot select and dot value. Okay, this two line code I just copy. Okay, I like to copy and paste. Okay, that's good. I got this, and you're getting, because the text field is a different, and drop down option field is a different. Okay, you please understand it. Now I go ahead. My field ID is a country. I put the field ID country here. Select, and SEV, and I just check that SEV. Put the here SEV. Okay, here he used. I remove this. Your first line. Here you say value. I extract this, and I say document dot get element value S1 SV. Okay, SV. Here we are saying SV, but our value is, I will say country value here, country val. Okay, and country is a it's visible transparent because we have not used this. I use this now here. I display it in control and check that country value is appearing or not. Always give the proper name to the variable. Okay, always give the proper name to the variable. So here you have given the alert, but instead of giving the alert, as I have told you earlier, please get the country error here. Okay, return. Okay, return true. Here you are saying console.log if return true. Okay. Now go back. Go back here. Save this. Where is my form? I refresh it. Console log is open. Select here. Console is there. Invalidate. Again here. Line number. Index.value. What is saying? Select. It's not save. I think. Select because country value is there. Select options. Get selected index.value. Okay. Now option dot select. Just move cursor. Selected index dot value uncaught cannot find the property options of null. Let me check the id. See where is the id. So Pankaj, what is the this is a select field. Okay, this is your select field. You have given name here, and here you are calling as a get by element by id. Why? And your interim name is my country. This is a silly mistake you are doing here. Okay, and I keep exploring the things. Okay, get by name. I have said get by name now. Refresh it. Okay, select. Now console. My name is not a function. Okay, now I will say my country. Then I go here and I'll say here where is the drop down option. Here country, my name. I give the ID equal to my country ID. Okay, I have given my country ID here. Use it here. I'll say here get element by ID. Okay, save this. Refresh. Click here. Console. No, cannot read the property options. Select. Yes. Yes. Hello. Huh. Just a minute. I just say now. Earlier, what happened? He gave. Actually, he gave the. Now again error is there. Uh, value for null. Cannot read property value for null. Country ID. Element by ID. Let me check. Oh, page is not refreshed here. This page is not saved. This. Okay, I save here, but I have not saved this. Okay, because ID is not populating here. Now it's in select. Okay, now it's giving the proper validation. So there was a small mistake. Okay, because earlier the mistake was ID. He gave the country name here, but he is not using the valid ID here. Just simple silly mistake you are doing here. You just need to say here either class or ID. Okay, then the value will be there. And I go in more complications to find out the options and selected options. Okay, but these properties are not for JavaScript for drop down. Okay, no problem. So here select is there, return true, and our validations are working here. Okay, our validations are working. Now I enter here full name, email ID dot valid email ID. Now mobile number. Okay, okay, I have entered invalid. You have entered invalid name. Enter invalid. You have entered invalid name. Mobile number. Okay. Now entry added here. See, entry is getting added here. Okay. So entry added here. So see, now entries are appearing here. So there was one small mistake you did here, Pankaj, means ID. Okay. But you guys understand how to explore, how to debug the code. So any concern in that now, Pankaj? Okay, so I'll save this session, how to debug the code.